Hi all, it's 21st September 2021 today. I'm going to touch on US equities market special review. Well, because of the market that actually fell over 2% at one point in time. So I think it's necessary for me to share with my audience what to do right now. I mean, coming from my anger. Well, before we start, do give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel so that more people can find this platform where I can share my ideas with you guys to see where I'm coming from. Covering Nasdaq 100, yesterday there's a big hoo-ha of Evergrande that risks fiscal cliff in US, whether can the debt ceiling be actually raised, and there's also the September curse. So you actually look at Nasdaq 100. I was looking at various points including the moving average for 100 days, 200 days, and 50 days. Well, at one point in time, Nasdaq 100 came down to as low as 14,821 points. Just as I have anticipated that 15,000 is a critical price point, and it moved back out to 15,000. Nevertheless, not all is clear because the concerns right now are weighing. I've been reading and hearing reports that Evergrande can they actually have a good resolution to resolve the current debt concerns. But again, seriously, US markets, how connected are they to Evergrande exposure? Well, that is definitely, but how big the portion is with tech companies, I believe that should be relatively resilient, but you never know. So watch out for the price point 15,000, 14 and 14,700 and 14,450. All these are critical points to watch out for. So one particular point that I want to draw your attention is the 14,450 points. As long as this point is not breached, there's no concern that the uptrend has reversed. But of course, nothing can be said for sure until proven otherwise. Stay safe. For S&P 500, it came down to as low as 4,300, but again it retraced back to above 4,350 points, and we have to watch out for the support at 4,300, 4,250, and 4,218 points. All these are points that are particularly critical. Reason being because these are observation points that I have noted on its way out. But just like Nasdaq 100, you see the volume actually spiking out over the last 2-3 days when the price start coming down, selling pressures has accumulated, and more people are increasing their short selling positions or potentially just selling. And you see the volume for these few days since Monday, covering last Thursday, Friday, the volume has increased in terms of the price decline when you actually see the volume coming down. Dow, well, Dow wasn't pretty as well. It came down to as low as 33,600 points and closed at 33,970 points. It's trying to hold 34,000 very hard, but last night it didn't. Now that it closed at close to 33,970, I think it's key to say how the market react today. If it's today bounce back out to 34,500 points, it's actually a pretty positive sign, but we have to watch out. So for the other point is 33,500 and 33,000. Let's see how the markets perform for Nasdaq 100, S&P, and Dow today when the US market opens. So you actually see big tech suffers a lot. Nevertheless, 10-year US bond yield was around 1.32%. It didn't spike out significantly over concerns in the equities market. So what does it mean? Ample liquidity in the market. But of course, if we actually look at high beta stocks like Tesla, it went down to 729 after hitting around 750 points. showing the risk sentiments. Of course, if you actually look at Bitcoin also came down significantly. The recent high is around 51,000 US dollar, and at one point in time I think it hit around 41,000 USD yesterday. It's not unexpected for Microsoft and Apple to hit resistance level at 150 USD and Microsoft to hit around 300 resistance level. Question is, can the decline be reversed, and when will it be? Will the panic spread for a few more days? This I really do not know. So we have to watch out for the support levels and see whether the support levels can hold. I will be on the sideline, not adding any positions. Alright, thank you. As always, this should not be construed as any investment or trading advice, since this reflects my thoughts on how I actually position my investment and trading positions. Thank you.